神係一個 jealous 嘅神。神點解話佢係烈火啊？因為呢一種 jealous 男人先至知噶嘛。但係問題，男人有冇將呢樣嘢人之常情嘅理解咗，將佢擺喺信仰嘅每一部分呢？你完全唔會俾姊妹吸引嘅話呢，你係好高分噶。其實你哋可能從來冇諗過，我定嘅教會當中男女之間嗰啲，其實我係幫你攞到好高分。
A jealous love descends, a flame within the soul, to test the sacred vow that makes two spirits whole. It is the nature of the king, woven in the plan, to prove the faithful heart since time itself began. Even mighty giants fell when wandering from the way, so we must watch the shadows and keep our eyes on day. We stand upon the mountain where the air is clear and strict, to pass the greatest trial that life could ever pick. We hold the borders firm where virtue draws the line, seeking the highest honor in a love that is divine.
你有冇諗過用人之常情諗？神創造咗人，點解會製造咁大阻力考驗喺 sex 方面呢？美國去試探人去食，都喺色情嗰度啊，係咪？就係因為神特登創造出嚟，呢個係加分題啊嘛。所以原來我哋想學神嘅其中一個性格嘅話呢，就係 jealousy 呢種公義嘅性格呢，你係要勝過道德考驗，你勝唔過，你永遠唔會有嗰種性格。
One slip can bring the ruin of a kingdom built on sand, but glory waits for those who fulfill the high command. The boundaries are not chains, but walls to keep us safe, to guard the precious treasure in this holy hallowed place.